Hello again, my loves. I am going to now share with you our math choice board activities for today. Remember, you can choose which activity you would like to do for the day, and you're going to do your absolute best. All right, your first choice is it says read The Water Hole by Graham Base or watch this video of The Water Hole. If you have the digital link, which I've sent to your parents, you can click on that and watch the video. Then you are going to create a counting book for our students that are in child development. Make sure that you include the title and your name as the author. You can do this as an activity on a computer or on paper to turn into Miss Post-it. All right, I've given you an example of kind of what the book could look like. You could take your paper and you could put a number on each paper and then make it into a book, or you could do it on the computer and like a slideshow. So I see one bunny. I see two chicks. So I drew out a number and I wrote a sentence to go along with how many objects are on my page. Okay, it's a counting book. So you would just keep going higher and higher, matching your objects to your number. All right, the next choice is a game. It says, practice telling and solving number stories about the dollar bills. Boys and girls, a dollar bill is 100 cents, or we just count them by one. The first child draws a number card. So you're going to need number cards 2 through 10. You're going to tell a story with your dollar bills about the number that you chose. So I chose the number 6. So you would need like a deck of cards. And you would choose a number. So I pretended like I drew this number 6 from the card deck. And then I could tell a story with 6 of my dollar bills. So you're going to need a stack of $10 bills and you're going to need a stack of number cards. When you choose your number card, you're going to tell a story, like I said. So if I chose 6, then I would choose $6 bills and I could tell a story. Miss Poston had 3 $1 bills and Naylee gave her 3 more $1 bills, and now Miss Poston has $6 bills altogether. Or you could do a subtraction fact. Miss Poston had $2 bills Miss Poston had $6 bills and she bought a piece of candy with $1. She had $5 bills left. However you want to do that. Okay, your next choice is like the double-fisted penny game. And I know it's been a while, but you need 10 pennies. And then in one hand, you will grab up a few pennies and you're going to count the number of pennies in this hand. And then the other player is going to try to guess how many pennies would be left over. So it's like your complements of 10, okay? Then also another game you could play is with grapes, doing the same thing. Get you 10 grapes and see how many different ways you can add these numbers together to make 10. 1 plus 9, 2 plus 8, 3 plus 7, all those ways to make pairs of 10. And then you're going to write down the pairs of numbers in the different number sentence forms, okay? So you need to write out your number sentences to match your problems that you come up with the grapes. And then lastly, you can do your digital choice. You can go to Freckle and work for 15 to 20 minutes in the math section, or you could go to Khan Academy and set up your free account. Today, boys and girls, I hope that you will take your math seriously and that you will count and do your best, remembering those things that we learned before school was out about our numbers and how we match our numbers, and just have a fun time with those complements of 10. And I hope you enjoy your math time today. Miss Poston loves you, and I hope that you will do your absolute best, and I know you will. See you soon.